Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different here. I apologize about the changing here. We're redoing this room and I will have a new studio here soon. So today's review is strawberry jam that came out of a Warnick MRE. Let me turn the camera down here a little bit, folks. Not the best we can do with working with today. So we are going to try some of this strawberry jam. I have some very simple crackers. I won't be using the standard MRE crackers because they ruin the taste of everything. So as always, need your package of jams and jellies. This is pretty fresh stuff. 233rd day of 2017. I've never actually had strawberry in any MRE I've ever had. That's why I'm reviewing this. If you've got strawberry in your MRE before, let me know about that, because like I said, I have never gotten strawberry. I've always got apple jam and yeah, I think apple's the only thing I've ever actually got. So basically that's a Smucker's strawberry jam. See absolutely nothing wrong with that. Definitely would be something to put in your bug out bag. I'm not sure if you can buy this online or not. The Epicenter and MRE Nation seem to have a lot of components, so you might check them out. But like I said, this comes from a Warnick MRE. I've got a buddy that buys their overstock MREs that they put together just to get rid of components, and that's what this came out of. I'm hoping that he'll end up with a case of this. Sometimes I get jams and jellies and salsas and whatnot out of MREs that they just don't fill. When the apple butter was discontinued, I got 25,000 packs of apple butter that I sold. It is absolutely crazy how much that brought. It was just ridiculous. But like I said, this is the strawberry MRE US Warnick jam. So, guys, have a great night.